Dear students, as you all know that we are going to write our first online English exam on 25th July 2020 at 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. As part of your English online exam, we are going to revise our first chapter. The first chapter is poem named The Good Natured Girls. Chapter 1 Poem The Good Natured Girls. These are the four contents which I have included in your question paper. The first one is reading comprehension, second words to know, third about the poem, fourth question answers. The first one is reading comprehension. There will be one reading passage. All students are requested to read the particular portion at least 2 times and answer the questions. Second one is words to know. As you know that there are so many words in your textbook. Moreover, there are so many words in the poem itself. Learn those words plus meaning. Then the third one is about the poem. The textbook itself, there is a content, a heading name about the poem. Please read and understand. The last one is question answers. There are many questions in your textbook. Learn, understand all the question answers and be ready for your exam. Now, dear students, just look at the pictures. There are two pictures. One is about the poet. Second one is about the two characters of this poem. The poem named The Good Natured Girls. These are the good natured girls, Mary and Anne. And the first one is the poet Jane Taylor. Now let's read. Mary and Anne, two little children, were sisters and were well behaved. Both lived happily as good girls always do. They are willing to yield and give up their own way. All child should try to behave like those sisters, like them, to be obliging and to be kind. Dear children, now please listen to me. Why Mary and Anne are good girls? Mary and Anne are good, two little great girls. They never disputed on any matter or angry with each other. Whatever happens in their work or their play, they are happy to yield and surrender their own specific manner. They are obliging and kind. They are not like eager and hyperactive kids. They never trouble their parents. They never increase the burden of their parents by being hyperactive or any dispute. This is a summary of the poem. The poem named The Good Natured Girls. Let's get started. Mary and Anne, two little children, were sisters and were well behaved. Both lived happily as good girls always do. They never had a dispute with others. Relationship between them was nice. Their parents were also happy with them. They were seldom found to share foods with each other. When their parents had a job to be done, these good little children immediately ran to them for helping them. They never disputed for any reason and were always good to their parents. Whatever occurs in their work or their play, they are willing to yield and give up their own way. All child should try to behave like those sisters, like them, to be obliging and to be kind. Thank you, and I wish you all the best.